Hi guys, this video is just to show you how you can use Bitly to create short URLs that you can personalize. Now, if you didn't want to personalize your short URL, you can just go to bitly.com and paste a link into this box, click shorten, and it would do it for you. The number of links that you can do that with is limited though, so you would have to create an account at some point just to keep shortening. But I recommend it because if you click and sign up, it will take you through a couple pages asking you what kind of industry you're in and things like that. But it's not really a big deal. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Let me show you the genius of signing in. First of all, here's how you do it. You say, I want to create. You paste your long URL in here. It automatically shortens it, and it will let you customize it. Now, I'd already actually customized that one apparently, so it went ahead and reminded me that I'd done that. But if it's something that you hadn't done yet, let's say Flipgrid. Let me do that one and see. Not especially long. All you have to do is put your cursor at the end and back all the way up here to this slash, and then type whatever you want. Now the thing about a Bitly is that it does have to be unique in all the world. So that's why a lot of mine, you'll notice that in my breakout they started with DDL for Das Doppeltelachen. That helps me give a preface to my words that makes sense, helps me remember the link, but it also will help it keep, it'll help it be unique. So you want to choose something that's unique, and then you just hit save, and that's all there is to creating a Bitly. The other thing that's pretty cool is that when you do that, you can go down here and scroll through your links and see how many clicks that URL has gotten, how many times it's been used. So this particular one was a breakout that I did, and that's 126 students use that. So I can kind of see how many hits it had. So that's all there is to using a Bitly. It is case sensitive, so be careful what case you use. And my other piece of advice would be, because it's case sensitive, if you are using an image generator, like on Image Chef to create your link, and if that image generator is going to have the text in all caps, make sure that you use all caps in the Bitly that you create.